long stretch.
And then like you mix all of it with your hand. It's sticky. And you have to mix it until it's fully the color you want. Like I want it blue, so I need to mix it until it's blue, completely blue. Now we can add some any of these. We're gonna make a blue team, so we're gonna add some blue sprinkles. And now we're gonna mix this too. We add the sparkles and then we mix the sparkles as well. Like this. I have to mix it very properly. They should all stick inside. Like this. You have to, mixing is the most important part. You have to mix it very, very well. Now we can add some extra stuff. Like this. These parts. These parts. We have all of these parts. Guys, look at how good it looks. And mix it up. Mix. This, guys, it has to be perfect all around. Everywhere.
These are the colors. Perfumes.
Which one? Green this. And now guys, we're gonna add some more and then we add this sparkle.
Silver maybe.
A different color.
And green is the same like.
And we add some green. And to make it look better, we're gonna add some silver. A little bit, just a little bit. Spread it properly. And then guys, look at how good this looks like. It's kind of sticky, so it sticks to my hand. It's like very new. So,
Do you like this? Yeah. This is the right.
there.
Okay, which you want? Right now,
You want some that one?
Guys, we're gonna add some rainbow sprinkles. Look at this. Oh, these are a lot. Sprinkles. And then some are falling out.
सब कुछ मिक्स कर लिया ये वाइट क्यों वो वाइट ये क्या
Look at this, guys.
ये डॉक्टर साहब बहुत
Like this.
Add some coke. Go white.
And then we can add some perfume. Okay?
हैंड पे ऊपर ये लगा
Up. And then to make it less sticky and to make this not stick on your hand, we're gonna add some extra water. And to make it like slimy and gooey. Like
ये
this.
क्या चीज़ है
And you can put some on your hands, but it doesn't stick on your hands. Like, put this everywhere, so vanilla. And guys, I'm gonna add some vanilla perfume because vanilla, I like vanilla a lot. Yeah, I love the smell of vanilla. So I'm gonna add some vanilla.